Now let's talk about the with statement. I will create a new Python file and name it file underscore with. And in Python, a more Pythonic way of working with files is by using with statement. This ensures that the file is properly closed when it's no longer needed. Okay, let's see an example. So I will start with open file.txt read mode as file, and I will try to put the whole file into output. Print file read. Okay, let's try to run our Python file. And yes, we can see that it's working. So in this code, the file is automatically closed after the with block is exited, even if an exception is raised within the block. That's a quick introduction to file handling in Python. Remember, handling files effectively and safely is an essential part of programming. So make sure you understand this concept.